Hey guys, could you use a smile or maybe a getaway right now? What about both of these and an opportunity to grow your reach online? If you've been at a loss for entertainment lately or are simply curious as to where the creative potential of our humanity is going, allow me to steal your attention and introduce to you TikTok. TikTok is this generation's latest and greatest trendy social media platform. Welcome to the getaway into what your children have been up to. Once a wildly popular app called Musical.ly, TikTok now has usage across the world for all sorts of purposes. So what exactly is going on this platform? Well, from all sorts of humor to landscape art to celebrities, how-tos, and DIY projects, to musicians and DJs hosting live gigs, sometimes called cloud raves, to dancers and singers and performers having a new way to showcase their talent, there's a wide variety of content at your fingertips. And there are millions of viewers out there like you who are ready and eager to soak it all in. The entertainment we humans desire and crave is widely being produced on this platform for audiences young and old. For these reasons, let's jump into the basics of navigating the app mixed with some tips and tricks to get your content out there. TikTok's algorithms bring content that you might like to your attention. Here are a few tips to make sure that the algorithms are both treating your content right and so your target audience can see your content that is relevant to their interests. As you consume on TikTok, heart or like the videos that you enjoy. These can be a mix between industry-focused content and whatever just makes you laugh. Over time, you should start to see more content catered to your likes. You can then interact with related accounts by liking and commenting on their videos, initiating conversations with them in the DMs, and consuming each other's live streams. When people like your content, they'll oftentimes click on your page and watch more of your videos. People will have the ability to download your content so they can upload it to other platforms as well. But no worries, your video is automatically branded with your username. This is yet another reason why you want to create content that's relatable to your audience's interests. You want people to share your content as much as possible. It's a free form of word-of-mouth marketing. You can also upload your own TikToks to different social media platforms as part of your content strategy. It's a great way to provide quick, funny material for your target audience. Along with favoriting the content you like, you can also choose to favorite songs and effects as well. This way, you'll have a head start on content ideas that you'd like to create when you get motivated to film them. One of the most common ways for your content to trend is to latch onto an already trending sound and make a video showing how you interpret it. As a viewer, if you like the sound and want to briefly follow the sound, you can click on its spinning icon on the bottom right to see others' interpretations and where the sound originated from. TikTok encourages the use of hashtags and @symbols, as this is another way media can be bound together. If you're posting a video of your cat and you want it to be seen by the largest possible amount of viewers, you can do some hashtag research prior to filming your content and include it in your caption box. Use a similar strategy as you could on Instagram and for your SEO to include short and long-form hashtags. Also, include hashtags that are extremely popular alongside ones that aren't quite as poppin'. For example, use hashtag #CatsOfTikTok, which is usually trending with a few billion uses, but also include a #MyCatIsWeird hashtag, which will be easier to actually rank for in search. A good handful of hashtags can be very useful for spreading your video's reach, but too many can not only look like you're trying too hard, but also confuse the algorithm. I usually use 2 to 5 hashtags when posting. Time of day in posting can also play a huge part in how many viewers your video can get in front of. Much like Facebook and Instagram, when posting content, it's wise to post around the time that the general public gets off work, for example. TikTok also bases your FYP content based on location. FYP stands for your For You page. If you live in Iowa, chances are you'll see a good amount of Iowan content mixed in before the rest of the world sees it. Use location-based hashtags and verbal phrases or text in the video itself, and that'll help your content show up on other people's pages in your area. While not every detail about algorithms on TikTok is publicly known, a lot of users think that they've come to conclusions through trial and error. For example, a lot of people think that videos that are created and recorded natively within TikTok instead of uploading video clips from your camera roll or apps like Snapchat are more likely to get views. This is to encourage content creation solely within the app. Makes sense, right? All things considered, I'd recommend that everyone on social media consider checking out and creating content on TikTok. Sure, the audience that's generally on TikTok does tend to be younger, but that doesn't mean it's only for kids. Roughly 50% of TikTok's global audience is under the age of 34, with 26% between 18 and 24. And here's the thing, these kids will grow up eventually. Give them a few years and they might be your ideal customer who already trusts your brand and what you're all about. Be in it for the long term. The app currently has over 1.5 billion users, and users typically spend 52 minutes per day consuming content. So, figure out how to make this platform work for your personal brand or small business, and jump on the trend before you miss it.